Did Tesla break our horizontal resistance that it was getting very close to on Friday? Let's take a look at it right now. We closed at 434.21, $8.14 up. Let's switch on the 1 hour chart. So this is exactly where we left off on Friday. We were making higher lows right here. So the lows of the price were getting higher and higher. And especially towards the end of the session on Friday, you look at this every single hour, we would be moving up. But at the same time, we were making a top. We had the resistance right here. Broke it a little bit, came back, but we hug that line a lot. So when we have this pattern, lows getting higher, highs are flat. When we have a break, boom, this is a buy. So exactly, picture perfect. This is what's supposed to happen. This is what is happening right now. So first hour of the day, we had a nice move up, even broke above 40. That was uncalled for. That was too fast. That was a little bit too fast. And then we came back down, retested, and we did not retest perfectly. We did not retest 426.47 right here. We stayed above it. So this is a positive sign when we don't have to go back to the support precisely. So we came back and now we are inching up higher. So what does that tell us? This tells us that 426.47 is a really nice support. It was a resistance. Now it's a support. This is how it works. At the same time, we could not stay above 440. So 440 is a resistance. It's a daily resistance. It was broken on the 1 hour chart for 1 hour or even 2 hours. And then it came back down. And now we are following this support. The same support is still valid. So this is the rate of ascent of Tesla. We have the official rate of ascent on the 1 hour chart. And if we follow that rate of ascent, we should be at 467 by September 30th. This is the current rate of ascent of Tesla. We had a faster rate of ascent not too long ago, but this is the current rate. On the 1 hour chart, all of our technical indicators are good. On the daily chart, all of our technical indicators are also good. And we see very clearly that 440 right here is an important resistance. It stopped us in the past and it is stopping us at least today. Maybe tomorrow we are going to break it. Nobody knows about this, but once we stay above it on the daily chart, this is going to be a signal on the daily chart that we can add on to our position, or if we took profit, we can pile on Tesla stock. Next stop is going to be 467. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So VIX a little bit higher. We are at 1609. The higher the VIX, the lower the stock market tends to be. 16 is not too bad. We were below 16 not too long ago. Now we need to keep an eye on this. But so far I think this is okay. Let's take a look at the stock indices if they have fared as well as Tesla. So yes, Dow Jones 0.14% higher, following this bullish channel support, following it very closely, nicely. SPX also continuing higher above this bullish channel resistance. We could not break it. And then now we are breaking it. We are continuing. Nasdaq, the same thing. Very beautiful. We had some resistance right here in the past. We could not break. Now it's continuing. Russell, the same thing. Continuing higher and higher. This one is encountering an old resistance at 2467. This is where we are right now. This is on the daily chart. We have a hard time. We broke it last week. Came back. Now we are trying again. We need to stay above it. We need to stay above it. This has not happened yet. Let's take a look at the heat map of the market. So, lots of red, a little bit of green. Let's take a look at gold. So gold, look at this. Could not break above this resistance right here. Could not break. Boom. We have broken it. We should be continuing. This is a buy right there. Always choose a nice stop loss. Choose a stop loss because it's possible that we are reverting. This is the stock market, but this is looking good. Silver, the same thing. Silver, a similar move. This was the resistance right here. Broke it, retested it, and now we are breaching 1455, but at the same time we have this bullish channel resistance that we have to contend with. This is what stopped us in the past. This is bugging us. Right now we are coming up to it. So it is possible that we break it. It's possible that we cave into it, so just be mindful of that. Coin not the best day today. Remember 111,940. We are back to it. Bitcoin is not launching. We can say that. We had a nice move when we had higher lows right here. Could not break 11,940. Boom, we broke it. And we had a nice move up to 116. Then it cooled down a little bit. Now it's retesting it. 111,940. Briefly went below, but on the daily chart, we still closed above. So hopefully we are going to bounce on it and continue higher. Ethereum, a similar thing. We saw a little bit of weakening last Tuesday. Then we recovered a little bit, weakening, and boom, back to a previous support at 4,091. And we have a longer wick at the bottom. So this is showing us that we touched it. This is the 1 hour chart. So we have gone lower and now we are hovering a little bit higher. So let's hope that we are going to start climbing again. In terms of economic news that we are going to get this week, on Tuesday we have Fed Chair Powell's speech. So I never like when he speaks. Maybe the markets are going to be a little bit iffy until he speaks, because they are going to try to see if he is going to still mention that 2 more rate cuts are going to come. We have durable good orders month over month, GDP growth rate, existing home sales, and on Friday the PCE price index, personal income, and personal spending. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. EV sales are booming in Europe except for Tesla. European EV sales increased by double digits. Meanwhile, Tesla experienced the exact opposite. So I am saddened to see this. Teslas are really great cars. In its first 8 months of the year, EV sales increased by an impressive 26% year over year. Tesla has long been the king of EVs, but its position is slowly eroding as customers are turning to the vastly more diversified portfolio of rival companies. That evolution is clear in Europe, where Tesla's reliance on just 2 aging cars, the Model 3 and Y, has caused sales numbers to go down month after month, leaving room for traditional automakers to sweep in. 8 months into the year, the Tesla Model Y is Europe's best-selling EV. If we read this, we are thinking that things are really bad, but it's still Europe's best-selling EV. Despite this, the fact that the Model 3 was the 3rd best-selling EV Tesla and is the only electric car maker in the top 10 with decreasing sales. So basically, the story is that Tesla is losing market share, but it's still at the top. So far this year, the Model Y has been sold in 83,000 units, a significant decrease of 34% over last year, while the Model 3 saw 50,000 sales, down 29% year over year. Tesla was the first mover with electric cars, so they had nearly 100% of the market. So yes, it makes sense that as the market matures, that Tesla share comes down a little bit, but the overall pie, because the overall pie is getting bigger, so Tesla cannot get as big a share of the whole pie. So that makes total sense. I am getting tired of these headlines. I'm going to stop reading them. And there's an interesting news right here. Warren Buffett dumps stake in Chinese Tesla rival amid 31 billion exodus. So he is taking his money out of BYD. I don't know why. And apparently, shares of the electric vehicle pioneer Tesla jumped 3.7% in the morning session after the company received approval to begin testing its autonomous robotaxis in Arizona, and Piper Sandler raised its price target on the stock. I don't care why, I just want Tesla stock to rise. So as you see here, Tesla is continuing higher and higher. This is what we like. Next stop is 440. Remember that number, 440. We need to break that and we need to stay above to continue to 467. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you want to become a member of my Discord server, you can't go to Discord. You need to become a YouTube member. So you click the join button, you become a YouTube member, and you choose the private Discord membership. This is how you are going to get your Discord server link, the URL. You click on it, and then once you go there, you see nothing. You need to connect your Discord server account to your YouTube account so that Discord sees that you are a member of my channel, and then automatically you are going to get access to 50 channels that we have. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We're going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.